Good afternoon, students. As we have discussed earlier, in this video, I am here with the code of multiplication of matrices. Look at the matrices which are written here. We have worked with the same matrix with the same result, and I have written a code here. We'll discuss today the working of the code with the concept we discussed in yesterday's video. We are going to run the loops to multiply the values. Initially, the value of loop I, because all of them are same, loop are rotating with the same values as the size of the matrix given. One thing more, the matrix must be equal, so that the condition is placed to check the length of both the matrix mat1 and mat2 which are passed here are same or not. If not, we are going to return 0 from here, so that in calling area we can show if 0 is returned, the matrix are not equal, so multiplication cannot be done. If it is true, then first loop is rotated up to 0, second from 0 up to L, second is L, and third is L. The initial value of I, and listen, J and K are nested in I loop. The first value of I is 0, J is 0, and K will rotate 3 times, as the value of L will be 3, 0, 1, 2. Look at the code. This is the main logic here of multiplication. A plus equals to matrix 1 of IK multiplied by matrix 2 of KJ. Means the row will be multiplied by the column values. The value of I and K will be 0, 0. At 0, 0 position, 1 is placed. Kj will be 0, 0. 0, 0 position is 1. So, 1 multiplied by 1. Here. Second time, the value of K will be changed, because K is nested into J and J is nested into I. So, most inner loop will be rotated first. So, the value of K becomes 1. Look at the code again. When the value of K is 1, A plus equals to IK, and is 0, 1. 0, 1 means the value 2. So, 2 multiplied by Kj, K is 1, J is 0, yani 1, 0. And at 1, 0, the value 4 is placed. It is 2 multiplied by 4. And the values are added here. Plus symbol is here. 2 into 4. Next time, I becomes 0, J becomes 0, K will be increased. So, IK will be 0, 2. At 0, 2, 3 is placed. And at 2, 0, 7 is placed. So, 3 multiplied by 7 equals to 30. The first value. When 0, 1, 2, 3 times K will be rotated, the K loop will be terminated. When K loop is terminated, so the loop J will start working again. The value of J is 1. When the value of J is 1, so K will start rotating again. First loop, first rotation of IK, and is 0, 0. 0, 0 means 1 again. And K is 0, J is 1. It is 0, 1. Look at here. At 0, 1 position, 2 is placed. So now, second column multiplication is started. 1 into 2. Because J becomes 1. Means J represents the columns of each multiplication. The columns of second matrix. I and K simultaneously, they represents the rows. In third rotation, when K will be 2, IK means 0, 2. At 0, 2, 3 is placed. So, it is 2 into 5 plus 3 into kj, that is 2, 1. At 2, 1, 8 is placed. 3 into 8 as 36. The second value is placed. By the same, third column multiplication will be done. What will happen when the value of I is changed? Now I is 1. J becomes 0 again. K is again rotated 0, 1, 2. When this statement will rotate, when this statement will execute again, I, K, it means 1, 0. When 1, 0 is written, so 1 and 0, the value 4 is placed. It means we had started with the second row. Means every time when I is changed, the row will be changed. Every time when the J is changed, the column will be changed. And K loop is the operational loop which is used to multiply and add the values. In the previous video, I discussed with you that 27 rotations are needed to place 3 values there, 9 values there. Because one value in result matrix needs 3 rotations, 3 multiplications. So 3 multiplications one time are done by K. Total number of rotations will be 27, so that K loop is necessary there to be placed to multiply the values 27 times. Because one multiplication is done with one rotation of K. So keep remember, the loop I is placed here to change the rows. Loop J is placed here to change the column, and K is the operational loop which is used to multiply and add to create the multiplicated element of matrix 2. This is important question, my dear students. So keep remember the logic, the concept of multiplication of matrices. Thank you.